the top 20 highest paying jobs in India right now. So if you're tired of your boss breathing down your neck and ready to upgrade your life, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this bread. Okay, first up we got the OG hustle kings and queens, the project managers. These guys are like the conductors of an orchestra, juggling deadlines, budgets, and clients who change their minds more often than I change my Instagram filters. They get paid handsomely for their sanity, or lack thereof. From construction to IT, every industry needs someone to keep things from going full-on dumpster fire. So if you're super organized, love a good challenge, and can talk your way out of anything, project management might just be your calling. Next up, we got the folks building the future AI engineers. These tech wizards are coding our future, from self-driving cars to those creepy personalized ads that pop up after you whisper about wanting a new phone. AI is everywhere, and with great power comes great earning potential, my friends. So if you can code in your sleep and love the idea of shaping the future, then maybe ditch that regular engineering degree and jump on the AI bandwagon. All right, let's talk about the Sherlock Holmes of the digital world, data scientists. These guys and gals are swimming in a sea of data, looking for those golden nuggets of information that can make or break a company. Companies are drowning in data these days, and they need someone to make sense of it all. Enter the data scientist, armed with their laptops and their love for spreadsheets, ready to save the day and rake in the big bucks. Chapter 4. Machine Learning Engineer. Teaching machines to be less. Machiney? Hold up, did someone say machines learning? That's right. Coming in hot at number 4, we got the machine learning engineers. These tech geniuses are teaching machines how to think, or at least how to pretend to think really, really well. Plus, they get paid a boatload of money to do it. Not too shabby, eh? Chapter 5. Blockchain Developer, Riding the Crypto Wave. Next up, we got the mysterious, the enigmatic, the ever so slightly confusing world of blockchain. Blockchain developers are the architects of the crypto world, building the digital infrastructure that powers Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those other coins your friend keeps raving about. Chapter 6. Full-stack software developer, the Swiss Army knives of the tech world. Up next are the ultimate multitaskers of the tech world, full-stack software developers. These guys and gals handle everything from the front end to the back end, bringing websites and apps to life, making sure everything runs smoothly and looks fly as hell. Chapter 7. Product Manager. From idea to reality, baby. Ever wondered who comes up with those life-changing products we use every day? It's the product managers. They're the ones who identify a need, come up with a solution, and then guide the entire development process from idea to reality. Chapter 8. Management Consultant. Helping businesses not suck as much. Sometimes businesses just need a little help. Management consultants swoop in to diagnose problems, prescribe solutions, and generally whip things into shape. They help companies streamline their operations, improve their efficiency, and make more money, which is always a good thing. Chapter 9. Marketing Manager, the masters of persuasion and memes. Marketing managers are the masterminds behind those catchy slogans, viral campaigns, and yes, even those ridiculous memes that somehow get stuck in your head for days. In today's hyper-competitive market, their skills are more valuable than ever. Chapter 10. Business Analyst. Bridging the gap between business and tech. Business analysts are the bridge between the business world and the tech world, using their powers of deduction and spreadsheets to translate complex data into actionable insights. They help companies understand their customers, optimize their processes, and make smarter decisions. Chapter 11. Internet of Things, IoT Solutions. Architect. Connecting everything but your relative's Wi-Fi. At number 11, we got the Internet of Things, IoT Solutions Architects. These tech wizards are connecting everything to the internet, from your refrigerator to your toothbrush. They're building the infrastructure for a world where everything is connected, automated, and constantly collecting data. Chapter 12. Engineering Manager. Herding cats, but with more math. Engineering managers are responsible for leading teams of engineers, dealing with complex code, tight deadlines, and the occasional existential crisis. They get paid handsomely for their troubles. Chapter 13. IT Systems Manager. Keeping the digital lights on and the memes flowing. IT Systems. Managers keep the internet running smoothly, ensuring that everything runs efficiently. They're the ones you call when your computer crashes, your printer won't print, or you accidentally deleted all your important files. Chapter 14. Data Engineer. The unsung heroes of the data revolution. Data, data, data. It's everywhere these days. Data engineers build and maintain the pipelines that allow for the free flow of data. They're like the plumbers of the digital world, making sure everything is connected and flowing smoothly. Chapter 15. Software Architect. Designing the digital future, one line of code at a time. Software architects design the high-level structure of software systems, making sure everything is scalable, secure, and easy to use. They lay the foundation for the future of software development. Chapter 16. Cloud Architect. Taking it to the cloud. No, not that kind of cloud. These days, it's all about the cloud, baby. Cloud architects design, build, and manage an organization's cloud computing strategy. They decide which cloud platform to use, how to migrate data, and how to keep everything secure. Chapter 17. DevOps Engineer. Bridging the gap between development and operations. DevOps engineers streamline the software development process, making sure everything runs smoothly from coding to deployment. They automate tasks, improve communication, and generally make everyone's lives easier. Chapter 18. Product Designer. Making tech. Pretty and usable product designers ensure that products are not only functional, but also visually appealing and user-friendly. They decide on the layout, the color scheme, and the overall user experience. Chapter 19. AI Strategist. So you think you can AI? AI strategists develop and implement AI strategies that align with an organization's overall business goals. They decide how AI can be used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and gain a competitive advantage. Chapter 20. UI/UX Designer, the User Whisperers. UI/UX designers make sure that our online experiences are as smooth and enjoyable as possible. They ensure that buttons are easy to click, menus are intuitive, and the overall experience is seamless. So there you have it, folks, the top 20 highest paying jobs in India right now. Whether you're a tech whiz, a creative genius, or just someone who wants to make bank, there's a career path out there for you. Remember, success isn't just about how much money you make, but it sure as hell doesn't hurt to get paid well for your hard work. So go out there, chase your dreams, and don't forget to thank me when you're rolling in dough.